Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with a Spectrum modem blinking orange in 2025, don't panic. It's a common issue that usually signals a problem with your internet connection. I'm here to guide you through it step by step, so you can get back online quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First things first, what does that blinking orange light mean? On most Spectrum modems, it typically indicates an issue like a lost signal, a hardware problem, or even a temporary service interruption. In 2025, with faster networks and more smart devices, this could also stem from firmware glitches or compatibility issues with new tech. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. It might be something simple, like a loose cable or a power surge, or it could be related to your ISP's end, such as maintenance or an outage. Other culprits include outdated modem software or interference from nearby devices. Alright, time for the fixes. Start by checking all your physical connections. Make sure the coaxial cable is securely plugged into both the modem and the wall outlet. Give everything a gentle wiggle to ensure there are no loose ends. It's amazing how often this solves the problem. If that doesn't work, try a good old restart. Unplug your modem from the power source, wait at least 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can reset any temporary glitches and refresh your connection. While you're at it, restart your router too if you have one. Still seeing that orange light? Head over to the Spectrum website or app to check for any reported outages in your area. If there's a widespread issue, you might just have to wait it out. If none of that helps, consider performing a factory reset on your modem, but only as a last resort, as it will erase your settings. To do this, look for the reset button on the back of the device and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Finally, if you're still stuck, contact Spectrum support. They can run remote diagnostics or even send a technician. Remember, troubleshooting tech can be straightforward once you know the steps. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.